video, I'm going to show you a quick tip that I found with Claude that we can combine it with Canva. Okay, we can connect Claude and Canva and we'll be able to do fantastic designs that you can never imagine. Recently, people used to know Claude on just generating text, but I think it can do quite a lot of designs that can marvel you if you connect it with Canva and other connectors as well. It has a feature called connectors. Okay, so when you are on Cloud, for example, let's say I'm on Cloud in here, you can always go to the profile picture and you can go to settings. You'll be able to see the connectors that I'm just talking about. So you can see it in here, connectors, and this gives you the opportunity to connect with different tools that you have been working on daily basis. For example, let's say I have my Google Drive, I can connect this, and I can have my Canva, I can connect as well, and I have my Gmail, I can connect this as well, and very easily, or even Google Calendar, you can do that as well. You can go to customize, you'll be able to use this plot sign, you can browse a particular feature, and you'll be able to directly connect it from the list of connectors that you have in here. There's so many connectors that you can easily connect with your Claude and it's going to function wonderfully. Now for this tutorial, we're going to connect my Canva, which I have done already, but I'm just going to show you. Once you search for Canva, you'll be able to see the plot sign just like you see in here, and you can be able to press the plot sign to add it to the list of connectors that you have. Now once you're back on your Claude main page or new chart, you should make sure that you have this. You can click on this plot sign, you can go to connectors and you're able to see Canva in here. Make sure it is selected to be able to know that it has been enabled and you can work with it directly with the account that you have connected with your Canva. Okay, and goes the same with the rest of the other connectors that you have connected as well. Make sure they are actually connected, all right, or enabled like this. To go ahead and create stuff on Cloud, what I used to do is I used to call on the Canva with this column, and then I'm going to say design a simple logo for my brand that is into affiliates marketing. You can keep it as simple as that, and we can just go ahead, hit on enter, and it's going to give us a piece of design that we can actually work on, so even connect it with Canva and carry out our basic editings from there directly. No, just create a fresh design. Do you have a brand business name? Yes, I'll type it. So let's say I call it, okay, bold and professional. Okay, the name of the brand, let's say Epic Idea, for example, generating the bold professional logo for Epic Ideas. So something like that. So it's going to quietly go through and give you a design that is basically editable in Canva. So let me show you how it does that. And with just that simple click, you can see it has generated multiple designs. You can see them very, very detailed and very, very interesting. Let's say we can click on this. This is the first option. All right, so you can see this is the first option where it has given us a wonderful design that you can actually work on. You can see it in here, very, very detailed. You can open any of the designs and you'll be able to have an understanding of what it goes. So let's go with this first option, and you can see open in Canva in here. This gives you the opportunity to now open this in Canva and proceed with your design. So you have open an external link. You can say open, you can copy it and use it somewhere else. But once you click on open, it is now going to go ahead and open this in the Canva account that you have connected with the Claude. Now you can carry out basic editings. For example, you can select the text and you can change anything. For example, instead of this, I can give it a yellow color, something like this. So if you have a specific brand, you can always use that. So let's say I want to add a simple line to this. I can come to elements and I will search for line, and I'm going to just quickly show this, and I'm going to use something like this or something like this. Okay, so I'm going to just reduce the size. Now I have something very, very detailed. So you can do that across, and you can download your design very easily with just coming to share, go to download, and you can just specify the format. I want it in PNG, but you can go ahead and do it in JPEG or any other formats that you're interested. So just that is PNG, and you can go ahead and click on download. I have done this with several other just like this. I've given it his prompt: Canva, create a simple poster about kickstarting a Toastmasters club for a place called Zaria, and keep it as simple as possible. And take a look at what it has given me. Okay, this one, and what I like the most is this one that involves the use of images. Now I can go ahead and say open this in Canva, and I'm going to go ahead and do some basic edits to it. So you can see my poster, well designed, and I can go ahead and carry out my basic edits from in here. Okay, very nicely. You can see I can select and can play around with the coloration. For example, I can change this to any color of my choice, change all if I like. You can change this to, let's say, blue color. You can see very easily. And I can change this also if you're interested to another color. Maybe let's say we go with something like this. This could be okay. Okay, so you can see, and I can go ahead, I can change the background as well, edit the background, or change the background to something like this, right? So depending on your choice. Okay, and if you are done and okay with what you have, you can just go ahead, click on share. Like I said, go to download, select the format, and just go ahead and click on download, and you have your poster downloaded, well connected from Claude AI. So this you can use, explore, and see how you can use this to your own advantage in recreating or bringing in different ideas to your designs. You can design virtually anything and connect it with Canva and proceed from where it stops. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye. Hello guys.